Gearshift Garage. 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan. The ultimate luxury SUV. Is this the best ever? Description. In today's video, we dive deep into the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan, the pinnacle of luxury and performance in the SUV market. From its stunning exterior design to the lavish interior and cutting-edge technology, this vehicle redefines what it means to travel in style. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just appreciate luxury, this review of the Cullinan will blow your mind. Don't miss out on the exclusive features, a closer look at its powerful engine, and a full breakdown of what makes this the king of luxury SUVs in 2025. Subscribe to Car Garage for more amazing car reviews, test drives, and the latest automotive news. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Comment below what you think of this luxurious SUV. Like this video if you love Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce Cullinan 2025 Luxury SUV Keywords. Rolls-Royce Cullinan 2025 Cullinan, Rolls-Royce SUV, Luxury SUVs, Best Luxury SUVs 2025, Cullinan Review. 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Interior, Cullinan Exterior, Luxury Cars 2025, Rolls-Royce Luxury, Cullinan Features, Powerful Luxury SUV, Rolls-Royce Cullinan Engine, Cullinan Performance, Rolls-Royce Cullinan Test Drive, Rolls-Royce Design, Cullinan Technology, Luxury Vehicle, Cullinan Price, Rolls-Royce SUV Review, Ultimate Luxury Car, Luxury Travel 2025, Rolls-Royce Prestige, Cullinan vs Bentayga, Rolls-Royce Cullinan vs Urus, 2025 SUV Comparison, Rolls-Royce Cullinan Walk Around, Cullinan Off-Road, Cullinan Driving Experience, Cullinan Comfort, High-End SUVs, 2025 Car Models, Best Luxury Cars, Automotive Luxury, Cullinan Engine Sound, Cullinan Customization, 2025 Rolls-Royce Price, Rolls-Royce Cullinan Luxury, Cullinan for Sale, 2025 Car Reviews, Cullinan Car Technology, High Performance SUV, New Rolls-Royce Cullinan, Cullinan Driving Review, Rolls-Royce Cullinan Reveal, Cullinan First Look, Luxury Off-Roader, Rolls-Royce Powertrain, Rolls-Royce Cullinan 2025 Luxury SUV SVR Review, Luxury Cars Car Garage, Rolls-Royce Cullinan Luxury Vehicle Car Review 2020 Rolls-Royce Best Luxury SUV, Luxury Lifestyle Car Enthusiast SUV Life Luxury Driving Automotive Luxury Rolls-Royce Review, High Ride Safe SUV Showcase Luxury Performance.